This is Chef Mark with Contract Appliance, a luxury division of Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom. Today I got a special treat. I'm going to show you how to make fresh pasta dough. We're going to roll that out in our pasta machine. We're going to make a simple sauce. This is a really fun and engaging way to make a fresh meal from scratch. I think it's really going to impress your friends. Let me show you how it's done. Okay, the first step is to make the pasta dough. And this is pretty simple to do. I like to do it in a food processor. And what I'm going to do here is sift the flour. I've got 2 cups of flour in here. I'm going to just put the lid on. I'm going to turn it on. And this is going to sift the flour. Then I'm going to add my eggs right to the machine. 3 eggs. About a tablespoon of oil. And a pinch of salt. I'm just going to let this run until it completely combines. Okay, I need to knead this a few times before I let it rest. So what I'm going to do is put a little flour on my cutting board. And when I'm kneading, I just like to fold, push, turn. Fold, push, turn. And I'm just going to knead this until it bounces back a little bit. Now it's time to roll out my pasta. First step I'm going to do is uncover it. I'm going to take a small amount of my pasta dough here. Get a little flour onto that. I'm going to kind of press it relatively flat. And I want it to be the width of the machine here. Flour is your friend here. It kind of helps lubricate the dough and go through the wheels a little bit easier. So I'm going to run it through twice on every single number, all the way up to number 5 or 6. Okay, I want to cut my pasta sheets. I'm going to do about a foot length, give or take. Then I'm just going to cut this one in half. Then to cut the noodles, I'm going to move my handle onto one of the cutting wheels here. Most pasta machines will have the rollers and then a large and a small cutting wheel. I'm going to use the large cutting wheel to make linguine. So what I'm going to do here is just run this through like so. And you can see we get this beautiful little nest of pasta. I'm going to give that a little flour. I'm just going to let that dry a little bit. The beauty of fresh pasta is that it just takes 3 or 4 minutes to cook. Dry pasta, you need 10 to 12 minutes, so this can come together really quickly. And because the noodles cook really quickly, I want to make a sauce that also cooks really quickly. So I'm going to make a quick pomodoro sauce. So I've got a pan here that I've preheated. I'm going to add a little bit of butter. Lovely. I'll let that melt slightly. I'm going to cook some tomatoes right in that butter. I want to add my garlic. One of the keys to making a great simple sauce is to take a little bit of the water from the pasta and add it to your sauce. That's going to allow the starch from the pasta water, it's going to allow the noodles to stick to the sauce a little better. I'm season this with a little salt and a little pepper. I'm going to give the sauce some lemon juice. And then lastly, I'm going to add more butter at the end. There we go. I'm just going to let that butter gently melt. My heat is off. My noodles are ready. So what I'm going to do here is strain my noodles through a colander. I'm going to add them to the sauce, give this a toss, a little cheese on top, and let's taste. This is so quick and so simple and so delicious, and it's all from scratch. That's the best part of this. And the great thing is this is something that you can really have a lot of fun with. It's easier with 2 people. So bon appetit, don't mind as I enjoy. This is Chef Mark with Contract Appliance, the luxury division of Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom.